It's Simpol time! This is Chef Tatong and today magluluto naman tayo ng isa pang version ng fried chicken, ang Chinese style fried chicken. Let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na ha.
This recipe is part of the Simpol Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya sisimulan natin yung ating recipe. Ano yung set A natin? Ang first part natin ay gagamit tayo ng 1 kilo of chicken. So ito yung gamit ko, leg quarters, no? Chicken leg quarters. Around 3 to 4 pieces sa 1 kilo. We're using chicken from Fresh Options and we're going to rub it with salt. Rub it evenly and just leave it for at least 15 minutes to 1 hour or better yet, overnight na nakasalt. Let it rest for the moment. And gagawin naman natin. Secondly, ang seasoning B natin, ating poaching liquid, meron tayong dito 4 cups of water. Pinakuluan ko na yung water para mainit na siya. And I add 3/4 cup of Silver Swan soy sauce. Yan. Very classic soy sauce, no? And I add 4 tablespoons of white sugar, 4 slices of ginger, just slices of ginger. Add it into the pot. 2 cloves garlic, which I sliced, and 3 to 4 pieces of star anise. 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, leeks, so ito white part of the leeks. Lagay lang natin siya. And rice wine vinegar, but you can also use dato puti vinegar for this. Yan. Gagawin lang natin is we just let it simmer for around 3 minutes so all the flavors will blend together and infuse. So our broth is already boiling. Ito yung poaching liquid natin. Sobrang aromatic ng ating broth. Pahinaan natin ng konti yung ating fire and we will add the chicken pieces. We'll let the chicken cook gently in the poaching liquid. And we just leave that there for 20 minutes. Papataasan natin yung ating heat para tumaas naman yung temperature niya. Once we see the pot boiling, bababa naman natin siya. So now you see the pot is already boiling. So we don't like that to happen. So what we do now is we turn down the heat and we baste the chicken. And it's almost 20 minutes. Look at that. Luto na yung ating chicken. Be careful not to rip the skin. Cool. So you can let the skin dry for an hour or so as the chicken cools, or pwede mo ilagay in front of the electric fan kung nagmamadali kayo. So we'll just allow this chicken to cool so that we can fry it to serve. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for our chicken to cool down, we're going to make our sauce. So I have my poaching liquid kanina, and I add 1 tablespoon of dato puti oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Dissolve everything first. Make sure that everything is combined. And thicken the sauce. Yan. So it's so simple to do. Yan. So we're just going to thicken the sauce a bit. Just let it simmer for a minute or 2. And our sauce will be done. And our sauce is done. We just have a bit for our bowl. And we fry our chicken. Gentle, drop gently. Gentle. And we just turn the chicken over so it cooks evenly on both sides. Yan. Gentle. And our fried chicken is already cooked. Looks very beautiful and surely it is crisp. Yan. Wow! Look at that. Di ba? Super appetizing. And our chicken is cooked and ready to serve. Yeah, you can serve it whole or you can slice it up. And of course, we put our cropek on the side, our prawn crackers. Feeling ko gagawin nyo to agad na recipe. Sobrang sarap, sobrang nakakatakam. Kaya here it is, our version of Chinese-style soy fried chicken. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!